like you said, it is being praised globally.
Yes. We said that you guess the killer, you're going to get $1,000 reward or 1 lakh rupees right before we expose the killer.
It's the only Telugu film this year to be premiering at Cannes Film Festival.
Yes. There's no representation from Tollywood at all. This international audience are from almost 25 countries.
Telugu film industry has cracked it, the hit formula.
Right now, Tollywood is ruling because you can see Bahubali, super hit, RRR, we got Oscars, and Pushpa, it's like
Whatever big names you throw in or whatever the larger than life big budget movies also don't work.
very good point. For example, when Bahubali went, Prabhas is such a huge star in South. People knew him in North, but he was not that famous. When Pushpa 1 released, nobody had much idea of what it was.
You're not just dreaming, you're also taking actions.
That Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood collaboration is happening, but it's not to the extent where every local person is getting a chance, no?
God's plan is better than yours.
100 things you try, one will click.
A global talent, now turning heads with a new movie M4M, which had a global premiere at Cannes Film Festival. Please join me in welcoming the Indian-American actress from Tollywood, Jo Sharma. Welcome to the Hans India. Hello, how are you? Motive for Murder, right? That's the film. How are you? You're taking it to the global stage.
Thank you so much for having me here. Yes, I'm really feeling great and blessed that we got such a great premiere.
Opening, right?
Yeah, world premiere at Cannes Film Festival. We have the international audience raving about our movie with excellent compliments and praises that the movie is fresh, the way the whole thrill, it's a suspense thriller murder mystery, M4M. I should thank my producer and director, Mohan Vadlapatla garu, the creative head. Thank you, Andy. Because of your creativity and talent, we were all being able to have such a great premiere. Yeah, I walked on the red carpet where Alia Bhatt was there, Janhvi Kapoor was there, and Tom Cruise and Angelina Jolie. So it was like surreal moments, like where so many Hollywood and Bollywood, the whole celebrity.
But you're no less yourself. Your movie received standing ovation.
Yes.
It was, like you said, it is being praised globally.
Yes.
So you are in the same league. And when you were getting that, when you were there and the entire room was praising your film, how did you take that? Were you emotional? Were you excited? Were you crying out of joy? What was it?
Yes, actually, we were lucky enough to grab all that reactions. So every time I feel and watch, I'm like, wow, this can become a super hit movie because people are embracing it. They're loving the suspense. We said that you guess the killer, you're going to get $1,000 reward or 1 lakh rupees right before we expose the killer. So I literally asked everyone, anyone in here who can guess the killer? People give a lot of options.
But not the right one?
And then they came out and then they're like, oh, damn it, And people were like, oh, we want to watch again. This is excellent. You love the movie, love your acting, love the direction, the music, screenplay. And I'm like, wow. And this international audience are from almost 25 countries.
Right.
Like we have from France, Italy, Sweden, Finland.
Hollywood.
In Cannes and America, from all states of America were there, like Los Angeles, Philadelphia, California, and we're like, wow, look at that international audience. Britain, UK, and only 1 or 2 people from India, but that's good. It's like every country represented watching, and every country person, they're youngsters, they're like teenagers, students, all age range people. Everyone enjoyed the movie and nobody even went for water break. I'm like, wow, that's what is the hit formula for a movie. And that gave us more confidence that we take it to the global level. And we are now thinking after, right now it's made in 5 languages. Hindi, made in Tollywood. So, Telugu Ammaini, born Telugu. I belong to Hyderabad, born here, but I studied and everything in Nagpur and Mumbai. So I'm half Maharashtrian too.
And you're a global actress.
I'm an American citizen now, so I'm US citizen, so I belong to NRI actress. Having that global appeal is actually helping a lot. We are releasing in 5 languages: Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. But Hindi and Telugu is the main focus. With this international audience appeal, now we are actually getting offers to dub it in Russian, to dub it in Chinese. I swear, I'm not kidding about it. They are like, hey, you know, you should. And Hollywood people are coming saying that dub it in English, release in Hollywood. And we are like, wow, you know.
So much love, right?
So much love, yeah.
And one more thing this film has achieved is it's the only Telugu film this year to be premiering at Cannes Film Festival.
Yes, we.
And it's your debut, Telugu debut, right?
Telugu debut, yes.
So what a proud moment.
Yes, we're very, very proud because we have noticed that there's no representation from Tollywood at all.
Exactly.
I was like surprised. I'm like, Hollywood is there, Bollywood is there. Where's the Tollywood? And I felt so proud. We actually played the whole movie in Telugu with English captions. So everyone watched it in actually Telugu, you know. So that's a proud moment that we carried our regional language and got so much of appreciation for. Right now, Tollywood is ruling because you can see Bahubali, super hit, RRR, we got Oscars, and Pushpa, it's like
Global phenomenon.
phenomenon.
Right.
So Tollywood is like in top number one. People are craving for Tollywood movies for its creativity and screenplay, directions, and the tight actions and glamour is there, but we balance less glamour, more acting. All the actors are like focus on acting more, so that kind of having lot of international appeal because this formula can fit anywhere. So that's what is actually taking to the next level.
While you are at it, Joe, I would also want to know from you, since you mentioned Tollywood is the new thing that everybody is wanting, yeah, craving to watch, right? So do you think that we have cracked it here in like Tollywood, Telugu film industry has cracked it, the hit formula, because we know the content is the king eventually. Whatever big names you throw in or whatever the larger than life big budget movies also don't work, but if you give them the right content they will watch it, and that's what Telugu film industry has been doing of late.
Very good point. See, if I need to tell, I'm a theater actor from United States. You know, I have done a lot of theater in US. Very accomplished actress, as like in US, like where I have been part of dancing and acting since childhood. But coming into industry from America is a real industry, right? What you do in US stays in US kind, you know. But coming to real industry, travel here and do. I'm a newbie here for everyone. So I'm in US, I'm famous, but in India, I'm like building my name, like, you know, I'm debuted here. So there's always a thought behind key, oh, you're having new actors. But guys, you know, from Tollywood, content is the king. You have the right content, you can get a hit. For example, when Bahubali went, Prabhas is such a huge star in South. People knew him in North, but he was not that famous. Rajmouli director sir is like so famous in South, but you know, people still are, they don't know the exact names to go to the theaters and watch. Same thing with Pushpa. Allu Arjun is so huge famous here, but when Pushpa 1 released, nobody had much idea of what it was. So ideally, they were also actually debuting in North as a newbie to come up with. I'm kind of correlate the concept.
Yes.
Like I'm debuting from some other area to here. They have been debuting into North to make a bigger name, and North India embraced them because it's about the content, execution, and all. And that is what we go with. Anyone asks that, hey, you are new stars. We are like new here, but we are famous at our own places. So give us a chance to embrace because the content is the king. And we have an excellent content and a story that we are portraying, that we are proud of, that is going to be a short hit. Just that everyone has to come and embrace it.
Since we also spoke about Cannes, I cannot skip the part where you were looking gorgeous at the red carpet. Your outfits, oh my god, who designed it? Who were you wearing? And I could see your director with you right by your side. Who else were there with you to support you through this journey?
That's the story. Very quickly, I'll just say that. First time going to Cannes, I don't have big designers who are like, see, Cannes is a different design altogether, right? I literally went with my original lehenga, chole types, you know, just walked there and all, and I had not much clue. It's just God's grace. I'm telling you, Khans is a magic. Just my, all Lord Ganesha, Lord Shiva, all Lord Sai Baba. I just pray all the gods. I think they all help me to find the right people at the right place.
It
I
just
was trying to
happened.
help others with something which they need. I can tell it out. Like, I was helping them to get their red carpet here and there, everything. Some designers saw me and they are like, you are going on a red carpet and you need to wear our designs, and please take it and wear. I was like, it just happened instantly. And one of the biggest designer in Dubai, I actually can't I don't understand the name, how to spell it right. It's a very expensive dress. And they said, please, one of my friend who got the designs at Khan's from Dubai, she gave the dress as a sweet gesture for the favor I was doing her. I'm like, okay, sure, let me try, and that became like an instant hit. The yellow dress.
Yeah, of course. You look like a flower, actually.
It's like compared with Alia Bhatt and Janvi Kapoor.
Yeah. There was headlines exactly.
All over the news because they were comparing my dress style, poses, everything with one side Alia Bhatt and one side Janvi Kapoor, with the biggest Bollywood stars, and I'm like, wow. And I had one more dress which I wore on the second day for the red carpet, and that was a gold with that too surprisingly with all flowers, and that's one of the Delhi designer. He was there over there, and then they were kind enough because they saw like I was looking so beautiful, an American actress coming here. They're like, please, wear our design too, and we would love you to wear it. I'm like, absolutely, and I carried it so well. All the pictures came like super duper hit on social media.
They did.
They are trending like number one.
So you believe that God's plan is better than yours?
1000%. I didn't had any plan. It's all God's plan. And my director, who's next to me, was a biggest support. He came on the day of the red carpet, and it just worked well. He was first time we are all going there. We didn't had anybody else. We didn't know anyone there. Absolutely nobody. Other than all these big stars we met over there, but hardly few people went there from industry who are not part of acting and all. They just represent Telangana industry or Maharashtra industry. So the film industry folks representation went there, but not as a movie actors or fraternity from. Exactly, exactly. Bombay films went, like, there are few.
Of course, Homebound and all went there, yes.
Yes, but nothing from South we didn't see.
Yeah, it was the only film from Telugu film industry. Yes, and you did it.
Yes.
What a great moment. And speaking of great moment, it's not just a great moment, it's a great year for you, as I would like to put it. Waves. You were there. You're part of the US delegation, right under the same roof with all the best all the best people from the industry, from Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor, Nagarjun, Amir Khan, everyone, and there was our girl Jo Sharma as well. Do you have some fun anecdote or some fun conversation from that entire event?
That's another God's given event. I think, it's all God's grace. I hope God keeps helping me like this and makes the movie also a big hit with some magic.
It will be, of course. The global audience has loved it.
So I came as an American delegate. A lot of my well-wishers and guardian angels who are always being blessing me from the back. Thank you, everyone. When I went there, we had again no clue because this is the first time when Narendra Modi ji was coming and announcing, saying that this is going to be the next big thing for India. And I was so excited that I was representing the whole United States from a movie fraternity as an Indian American. Such a great moment. And when I saw my badge as American delegate Jo Sharma, I was like, wow, that's it. I'm going to frame it and keep. And I was treated as a VVIP. So I was with Alia Bhatt is my, I should say, crush, because just like her, I believe in action, not too much of glamour. And I really, and somehow our height, structures and all, a lot of people call me South India Alia Bhatt in US. In India, they'll go, hey, you're South Alia, South India Alia. I'm like, okay. And when I, actually when be next to her, I was like awestruck, and Ranbir Kapoor was right next to her too. I was like,
is he your crush too?
I have Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, wow.
Adorable big girl, fan of
You're the King Khan fan.
King Khan fan. But yes, of course, Ranveer Kapoor, I love his acting. He's like a master of acting.
And as a person also, he's very generous.
He's so sweet. I mean, like so gentle. When he was talking, you should see the pictures. He was like so gentle. And my greatest moment was me and Alia Bhatt, of course. And I met Amir Khan, and then I met Nagarjuna, and of course Vicky Kaushal, Rajkumar Rao. Rajkumar Rao gave a shout out to my movie, and he was like, "I'm for him." I was like, "Yeah." Hopefully, I'll get to act with all these actors very soon. Mark my words, we'll come back.
Do manifest because your dreams are coming true. Like somebody up there is guiding your path very correctly.
Yes.
So, was it ever in your plan to be in films, to be in the limelight? You say that it's all God sent, but there has to be some plan, something you dreamt of probably. Oh my God, I want to be on big screens.
Well, yes, that is true. I was a theatre actor, as I was telling. Since childhood, I was a dancer and actor. And I had my own theatre production company in America, Hollywood, Bollywood, called Dance Dil Se. So I write stories, and I was the actor, main heroine, and everything, one woman show types, did big shows like with 10,000 people, all whites and Indians combined. My 6 to 7 shows back to back became such a big hit in Bay Area, Hollywood, and all that one of the Hollywood producers spotted me and said that, Joe, you're so talented and it's all rounder, talented in every aspect. People like you can't just stick to California and then your talent just get buried here. You need to go to the real industry where the real people, real business, real industry, feature films happen. And Mohan Badla Patlaji is also my director, is also my, was in Bay Area. He's also a US citizen. He moved to India, and he's in industry since past 20 years. So I contacted him and we came here, and he wants to make sure that I'm protected because we come from US, we are in La La Land, and we don't know what to do in India. So he protected, made sure that he nurtured me. All credit goes to Mohan Badla Patlaji, hands down, namaste Andy. He turned me from a theatre actor who's raw to a total movie screened, refined actress. How to sit, what to do, how to present, how to smile, how to put my hairstyle, how to dress. And he made me a one shot actress. You mean like one take artist? That's what I got the name from everyone. Any long scene, we had like 8 hour shot, 8 hour shot. Like there's no second chance. We would have lost so much money if anyone made a mistake. Being my first time, I did everything in one go. So I was being labeled as one take artist. So all the credit goes to my director, who's actually the man behind this. And he is the one who inspired me. That initially I was like reluctant. Oh my God, really? He's like, no, you are a talented actor, and don't go for glamour. Stick to acting. That's what he trained me for the past 5 years. सबको होता है ना कि अरे यार मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ, मुझे छोटे छोटे कपड़े. No, it's nothing wrong at all. But focus is more on glamour when you are like young and you want beautiful. You are like, oh, I want to just look beautiful. That's okay. But choose that along with where you have scope for acting, so that you can last long in the industry. That's what the advice he told, that focus on acting. Plus, yes, you get a scope to be beautiful. It's okay, embrace it. But you get role where you don't have to embrace that as well. Because at the end of the day, people are looking at your character. They're not looking at Joe Sharma when you're on screen. They're looking at the character I'm playing, crime investigative journalist in M4M. They're looking at me as journalist. They're not looking at Joe Sharma. Don't remind people Joe Sharma. They need to see only crime journalist over there. If they keep remembering Joe Sharma there, then that's defeating the purpose. So nobody teaches you all this.
Should look like Radha, the journalist.
Yeah, you know the name.
No, I did my research. Yes. Oh my God, it's a big movie. It got a global premiere at Cannes. What do you expect? Everybody should know it. In fact, I would want you to tell India, because Cannes has already watched it. And soon India is going to
And
watch it.
in America as well, and UK as well.
Global premiere has happened, right? But since we are now releasing the film in India, if there's one message or one way to introduce your film, M4M, to the viewers, how do you do that?
Guys, M4M is going to be a game changer in thrillers because it has a fresh concept which we never tried in the past century. When we wrote this story, I'm one of the story writer too. When we wrote the story with me and Mohanji, we researched that what we introduced in this was never attempted before. And the script, the screenplay, the direction, the music, the soul of the story, and the actors, me as Radha and Sambit Acharya, who's a Oriya star hero as a Krishna, we nailed on our characters so beautiful that you will be on edge of your seat. You won't even move. You'll be like, who is the killer? Who is the killer? Who is the killer? And I can bet you can never guess the killer. No matter what. And we bet you, as I said in the starting, $1,000 for American dollars or US 1 lakh rupees. You guess the killer. Every theater, we are going to keep a cash outside. You guess, you take it. So that's how much confident we are with the twist and the turns. And it sticks to the, it's a no nonsense means it sticks to the story. By the way, very big news I want to tell is that we actually got reviewed by New York Film Festival, and our review was outstanding what they gave, and we actually won the awards too. They still didn't make it global announcement. We are going to do it. So we won for our music, we won honorary award for the film and for the song. So it's a great beginning already that we won Film Festival awards. And New York Film Festival is not a small one, it's quite big. And we also won awards in Venice International Film Festivals as well. So that is where the Indian audience, come take a challenge. Come on, you're all so smart. है ना, आप सब लोग कितना smart हो. You live like a challenge. Come there. You know, it's you hardly spending 100 rupees or probably or going to watch an OTT, which we are trying in a lot of OTT channels right after this to go on OTT. Just take a challenge. You never know. You can just take 1 lakh rupees to your home.
Or come out with a great experience.
Come out of the great experience. You'll be like, wow. And right after they watched the movie, so many international women out there, the models who watched, they're like, Joe, can we please act in your next movie, or can you please give us a chance? We want to be part of your next ventures. And some people are like, whomever came to Cannes, they were like, hey, you won't even believe, my whole chat history just got flooded with compliments. And those are all real. See, you can't force anyone to fake anything in life. And these are international strangers.
Exactly. And for a debutant, we're not, yeah.
Exactly. And on top of it, when we're recording them to give reviews, they were overexcited to give them reviews. And nobody does that. That's coming genuine. And that is exactly what we want the Indian audience to embrace it. And in America, we have done a lot of promotions already in 40 cities. In New York, New Jersey, Detroit, Chicago, California, Bay Area, Los Angeles. In Michigan, it's going in a really big way. Florida and Seattle. So we are aiming it so big in US because I'm there. So people know me already, so that kind of helping. And we are kind of showing the trailers and guess the people, oh my God, the response in the United States is crazy. I'm just praying to God that in Telugu industry also people please come forward, support this movie, release it in a big bang. You will see that you did the right thing.
Right. What I can say. Perfect. That's a beautiful way to introduce M4M, which has already received so much global recognition. Yes. Now moving from your movie part, you're also a philanthropist. You like how you say that God helps me. I also believe it's some of your good deeds that you do. The karma, I think, is real. When you give to the society, the universe automatically gives it back to you, right? So talk to us about your foundation, people you help, what stories impact you, and how you impact their lives as well.
Okay. Okay, I'll start with the dream. I was always fond of Taranadarsh Post. Okay. And I always thought, like, he came to, I'm part of an organization in the United States, which is very big organization, and we do India Day parades. It's called FIA, FOG. I'm a chair for that and chairperson for Telugu FOG. So Taranadarsh ji visited us 6-7 years ago before COVID to our organization as one of the dignitary. And I was so fond, and people talk so many great things about him. And to get on his post is not that easy.
No, it's not. And he posted about the film. He did. Not just him, even Didi.
Doordarshan posted and posted and
That's what I'm saying. It's if it's not good film, nobody will take a chance. If it's not a good project, they don't believe in. Nobody of that big sort of that level, they will not come forward.
and they tagged Narendra Modi ji on my Doordarshan news. They tagged me and Narendra Modi ji in that same post. As an American delegate, I represented and I supported Waves OTT, and I taking that Waves to America to make it much more big. An Indian consulate from United States is supported me and sent me here. So that kind of is a big deal that I got featured in DD News, and Narendra Modi ji was featured. Taran Adarsh ji actually featured me, and that I dreamt so many years ago that, oh, I just wish even I'm someday featured on Taran Adarsh ji. And it just came true. That's where I wanted to start this journey. I am something in US because I help a lot to kids. I think I already trained 50 to 80,000 kids in past 7-8 years, where free dance and free acting and personality and all. I'm very much towards Indian culture promotion in US. I believe in my religion, my culture. I believe in all religions, but as a part of whatever I can from India representation, I try to do that in US. And in that whole stream, I have lot of well-wishers who come and say, "Jo, madam, you just achieve something big and we'll follow your path. You take all of us with you." This is a statement they all say. "Ab thoda sa famous ho jao, hum sabko leke jao aapke saath." And I promised everyone, ek movie hit ho jane do, one movie becomes a hit. Next movie, I'm going to do half of the movie in Hollywood, and I'm going to have all of you in my movie in one song. Everyone gets to be on screen.
Right.
So it's not just about my dream, it's everybody's dream I'm carrying as a strength along with me. The passion that I'm carrying is about, see, people in US, America are so talented. You'll be surprised. Every street, we have expert dancers, expert actors, expert musicians, story writers. Oh my God, so much talent. And we notice that after 15 years, 16 years, what else? It's like a dead end. There's nothing. You can do independent films in US, but it just stays there. We don't, the US films, independent films will never get featured in India. I hope you all know that. Even we come and do it here, there's no prominence to it. I want to change that. Okay, a lot of people tried. I'm not saying I'm the only one taking a jhanda and coming here. A lot of people tried, you know, see, even Mahabharat ke liye, abhi independence ke liye, kitne log try kiya tha. So many people tried to get independence. Trying and trying over the years, we received success. Same thing with US too. A lot of people tried since so many years. But that Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood collaboration, it's happening, but it's not to the extent where every local person is getting a chance. No, it's not. You know how much struggle I'm doing since 4-5 years? Oh my God, it's so much of struggle. I want that path to be easy for all NRIs and also for Indians too. In fact, you know, I want to somehow come up with some easy strategies where talent can get recognized. That's my goal. That's where I started. Maybe that's why God is helping me with all the guardian angels like Mohan Vallabh to start with. And
Kindness is paying off.
if we Goa, we went there. I met a guardian angel there who is helping. And then in Cannes, I met another guardian angel who is helping. So there's so many guardian angels who are helping us as a force from behind. Even in Delhi, we met, you know, all these people are helping us. One person can never do anything. It's the God's force who will create the planters, and we need to read the signs. See, आप कुछ manifest करते हो. Nothing will come and say, कि I'm here, hey, pick me. Nobody says. You need to pick every small chance you get and try, कि does this work for me? Does this work for me? 100 things you try, one will click. But you should never get tired, never lose faith, never lose the confidence. You have no clue how many times I might have cried the whole night. It's so hard to come from US to India all the time. I just come for 2 days and I go back. I travel at the night because I'm an actual full-time software engineer.
That's what I was going to come next. Not just that, you also wear another feather to your hat. Where will you stop, or there's no stop to Jo Sharma?
Yeah, so that I'm a full time. I work, and the only time I get is weekends. I do everything over the weekend. Weekdays, I don't do anything. So even if I have to fly to US, I fly. I just do things, and I just fly back. It's a lot of money I spend, but you need to invest somewhere to achieve. But I cannot back and forth. Anytime they say shooting is there, I'm like, no problem. I come, I do my part, I fly back. If people say that, are you coming from Amirpet to here or America to here? Because Amirpet से कार लेके ना आप बताए कि मैं 5 मिनट में वहाँ आ रही हूँ.
Exactly.
Say that, are you really coming? How can you just catch a flight and come? I said, I have some guardian angel sitting in Bay Area to help me with a lot of things. So that's where I'm trying to take it to the forward with a bigger plan that I help a lot more people. One hit, one movie coming out is going to make the whole world change. So all people out there, help people like me, the talent sitting here who can impact thousands of people behind me. You do one thing for me, you'll feel proud. I'm carrying a legacy. So identify such people like me, not just me, anyone like me, and support Dil Se, come forward. You never know what change we can make to this world. And give us one chance, you never know. That's all I say.
Your journey is somewhat like, when I think back of it, it reminds me of the journey of what Priyanka Chopra lived. And even today, she does the same. She takes a flight to America, then she's in Mumbai, and then she's shooting somewhere in Italy, somewhere other. So that's a journey, and you have to do it for your dream, and you are doing it. And I don't think that when you dream, and you're not just dreaming, you're also taking actions.
Yes, I'm taking actions. That's a very right word you used. Everyone dreams. This is what I hear from people in US too. यार हमको भी करने के लिए बहुत मन है यार, लेकिन कौन इंडिया जाता है यार, अभी इतना दूर है इंडिया, कौन बार बार यार तो कैसे जाती है 16 hours, every trip takes minimum, right, it's very far. San Francisco is very far. How can you sit like 18 hours at a stretch and then again another 8 hours? How do you do all this? I'm like, when you're so blindfolded कि मुझे हासिल करना ही है, I have to achieve this. You tell the universe a message that make it happen somehow. You're throwing it onto the universe,
And I'll do whatever it takes.
whatever it takes. I believe in manifestation. I practice lot of chantings to keep myself sane, and my family is my biggest support. My mom, my sister, and Sunita, Raghu, Akul, Sahil, Vijay, all the family that's there with me is my biggest support, that they believe in me, and of course God. People keep saying that tu Bhagwan ka naam bahut zyada leti hai. I'm like, yeah, Priyanka Chopra is a very big name. I adore her. That is another of my wish list,
To work with her.
to work with her somewhere, somehow, somewhere.
You guys are in the same country. Some days you might just cross the path. Have you till now? Have you met her?
Actually, when I went to Oscars red carpet this year, I just happened to be there at the red carpet, and I met Ariana Grande little bit from far because So at that time I thought, oh, I just wish I'm with Priyanka Chopra Jonas very soon, because she loves talent. She searches for people like me. All I need is a chance where she spots me. That's all I need, a chance. See, I was able to meet Alia Bhatt. I was able to meet a lot of people, but Priyanka is
She's in a dream list.
big time. Priyanka Chopra, Shah Rukh Khan, Chiranjeevi. I have my own.
Yeah, of course. You should have one.
I have my own dream list.
And Priyanka also is a producer through her Purple Pebbles pictures. She keeps producing very raw talents, very raw stories, ground level stories. And she really, as you said, she only looks for talent.
Talent, yes. Speaking of that producer thing, I'm also a co-producer for a movie as a collaboration from United States as McQueen Group USA. The only reason I stepped into that, because Mohan Vallabh ji encouraged me that if you learn the whole system, how the movie works as an industry, how people works, you change. Because we come with little bit of American, how do you say, how we live in US. We don't understand a lot of things, right? Even though I came from here, I went there. you get used to the place where you live. So, and people here are so talented and so fast comparing to US. I mean, they're so sharp, but at the same time, they're very emotional. They're very sentimental. So, you need to be very careful how you talk, how you stay grounded, how you treat everyone, pyar se. And this is where I got taught. That's why he forced me that be as a co-producer and learn. Just like Tom Cruise told. I miss Tom Cruise, man, in Cannes. Everyone went there.
There was a photo op with him.
I just missed it. I'll get it very soon, I'm sure.
Yes, finger crossed on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what he told at the recent interview, when he started on things, he learned about every craft. It doesn't matter because that's what helped him to be the number one. So I want to follow that kind of footpaths what Mohanji, Badla Patlaji was.
And you like action too. He does a lot of action.
He jumps off the plane. I can't do that though. No way.
Never say no, Joe.
यार मैं बहुत डरती हूँ, plane के ऊपर से मैं कुनाई.
For someone who says मैं बहुत डरती हूँ, I don't think you really.
I mean, I'm scared of heights a little bit, but if I.
But you're not afraid of dreaming.
But that also we can do with AI and VFX. I can jump, but the jump can be only here. We can show that I jumped. I have a lot of ways to do it. But anyways, so that's the journey I came from and the background, and I'm really hoping I reach the goal which I am really aiming for, to become the very good actor like Sridevi ji or Vidya Balan ji, all these actors like Rekha ji, yeah, actors, Alia Bhatt, this.
Have you watched their films growing up? Your favorite film?
Oh God.
Are there many?
Okay, I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan, so
All the Shah Rukh Khan movies.
he comes, I'm like I melts. And I get inspired with him and Chiranjeevi because how they started with zero, they're like zero. Tom Cruise, the stories of Tom Cruise, Chiranjeevi, Shah Rukh Khan, they're all similar. Poor people, the nothing. I want to be part of that genre, and that's why I get inspired by them. That
But you cannot escape this question. What's your favorite Shah Rukh Khan movie? Name one. I dare you to. Because I know there are many, but I dare you to name one.
Okay, I'll tell you one of everything. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan, of course, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, the cutest film ever. Okay.
So you're waiting for Shah Rukh Khan to just lend you a hand.
Oh, he did actually. He came to United States 6-7 years ago, and we were in US. We host everyone part of our organization, and he actually kissed on my hand, and I didn't wash that hand for like 10 days.
Do you have a picture? Have you? You have it? Yes. I'll need it. I need to see it.
Yes, and then people saw that he was kissing my hand. He was so cute. I was just holding and saying that I'm a big fan. He just looked at me and he just like a pyar se, and then everyone said, Joe, you're not washing that hand for next 10 days. Put a bland. I'm like, girls were like going crazy. And they were like, I'm like, what the fan following of Shah Rukh Khan is crazy. And I love Chiranjeevi too. Chiranjeevi is like my gang leader of his movie. I'm sure all Telugu industry people, they know. It's a old movie, but I happen to like his dance, the way he has that flexibility, hip hop. That's where I got inspired with lot of new actors. Allu Arjun, big fan with the dancing and all this.
His swag is next level.
Next level, but nothing beats Chiranjeevi. Chiranjeevi is like,
he's the OG.
That's it, just like Tom Cruise. Every time you see him, we're like, oh, so cute, so brave, so much action. Just that.
They are all the three names you mentioned are the best in their own world. Yes? SRK, king of Bollywood. Chiranjeevi, the mega star. And Tom Cruise, oh my God, he's the action star. Nobody does action better than him.
So, and then coming to women, Alia Bhatt, as I said, Gangubai. Oh, I reenacted a lot of her scenes. I looked exactly like her in a lot of scenes, how I act. And people are like, oh my God, next to next. There are a lot of articles. If you say Alia Bhatt, Joe Sharma.
Their comparisons.
Yeah, you'll see a lot of them. I just wish I'm in her movie where people will be like, oh, you and your one more.
Doppelganger?
No, I don't look like her, but a twin.
Yeah.
Twin. I have my own identity, right? So it's kind of like. Yeah. And so Alia Bhatt is that. And Priyanka Chopra, I love every movies of hers. Actually, Do you see from where to where? Okay, uska to
Her graph is very different. When people said don't do a negative role, she did Aitraz. She is next level. Every time somebody told her don't do this, she'll do it and prove it.
Marathi character you saw, right? Like where she has the emotions.
Yeah, Bajirao Mastani.
Oh my God. So that's the next level, which Bajirao Mastani, her acting especially,
Kashi Bai.
Kashi Bai is like next level. And Sridevi Chandani movie, I watched probably 2000 times with her 1000 expressions that she keep doing.
The songs, oh my god, in the Chandni movie songs and Sridevi in it, my favorite.
And the last but not the least, yesteryear star Savitri. I know all the Telugu movie people know her. She's the one whom Mohan Vatlapadaji forced me to learn, looking at her expressions. And I kind of follow Esther star Savitri. You can Google about her. She even won the national award. The one of the actress has won the national award acting so that's where my journey goes. So many actors, there's no stop to this, right? This journey of me.
It's just the start, I'd say.
Yes, another Jo Sharma coming into the world of Indian cinema. Watch out for her.
People will. Because you're bringing a really nice movie and a really nice experience for all the cinephiles.
Yes.
Now, quickly, I'll do a rapid fire round with you. Right? Are you ready, Jo Sharma? Okay. Describe your Cannes experience in one word.
Universe given me the gift. God-given gift.
God-given gift, right. Since you have already said Shah Rukh Khan many times and Tom Cruise, I want you to name other actors other than them, right? One actor you dream of working with. No Shah Rukh Khan, no Chiranjeevi, no Tom Cruise.
Okay.
It's rapid fire, come on.
Okay, Rajkumar Rao and what's the other actor? Vicky Kaushal.
One director you want to work with.
Everyone dreams about that. I want to be part of Ramayan and Rajamouli, both. Ramayan. One character, इतने सारे characters है रामायण में, 1000 लोग हैं, मुझे भी ले लो.
Tiwari's Ramayan, right?
Yeah, मुझे भी ले लो and Rajamouli, just dream about this.
Okay. Your off day looks like. You work on weekends, you're working on weekdays, you are engineer, you are actor, you are philanthropist, but what does your off day look like?
I like to dance.
I would have asked you, what's your favorite dance move? Can you show it with hands at least?
Oh my movie song is releasing, right? Yavadu Vadu, he's the killer. Kaun hai wo? He's the killer. अभी मैं नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ क्योंकि that part I'm going to make a huge deal about it when the song releases and I'm hopefully meeting you again to make a reel with you.
Lovely, I would love that. But other than that, if there's any other
Bollywood hip hop.
Okay.
Bollywood hip hop is my favorite.
Right. 3 things you always carry before leaving home.
My purse. In that little purse, I have 1000 things.
1000 things.
Can't say all the 1000 things, but that's my little
Name 3.
Okay, little purse. And my cap. Everyone says that, Joe, why you always carry a cap?
But you need it.
But I need the cap.
And your phone maybe.
Phone is like, even while sleeping, it will be like, for everyone, come on.
Yeah, it is for everyone, which is why. USA and India to me are like.
I don't say brothers and sisters. For me, they're like two eyes. Like, I need both. That's what I can define.
That's a very nice answer. I love it. The last show you binge watched.
The last show?
You binge watched. Anything on Netflix, maybe Prime.
So you want only web series?
Any. You can give me films also.
Web series, though, I can tell you about this Emily in Paris. Emily in Paris.
Right.
Yeah, that's the one I binge watched. Just because I keep watching, how can she do so much fashion? Keep on changing. I can't even change one dress to another.
And changing partners.
That's a different story.
Like really. But then again, she's in the city of love.
But I love all the Indian web series too. These days, they are rocking. Like rocking. Our standards are high.
Yeah. One beauty queen or actor you looked up growing up.
Of course, yeah, it's Aishwarya Rai. Who needs anybody?
Oh yeah, Miss World. Such pretty eyes. Phenomenal journey.
That Dhoom with Hrithik Roshan, I keep watching that. How can...
Your favorite song from that movie featuring Aishwarya Rai? Do you remember any song?
No, than Dhoom, I actually practice her dance for this one. Like hers and Madhuri Dixit.
Dolare.
Dolare and then... Yeah, बहुत सारे देवदास वाला, and she has like oh, I forgot Shahrukh Khan देवदास में जो she does that she's protecting the deep.
Berry Pia.
Yeah, it's a lot of songs.
But from Doom, I think Crazy Kiare is my favorite.
Oh, I forgot about that. Sorry, Crazy Kiare.
Yeah.
I danced
She
on
look
it.
really hot also.
Yes,
Joe's favorite food is?
dal, yellow dal.
You love it? No biryani?
No, I stopped rice. I don't eat rice at all. It's been like 6 years. I don't eat rice. I don't eat roti. I eat only vegetables, boiled vegetables, and yellow dal and protein. That's all.
it? Okay. A Gen Z word you secretly love using?
You give me options, I'll tell.
No, lol.
Slay, vibe.
Vibe you use? Okay. Yeah, vibe everybody uses mostly, no?
Yeah, slaying is also very easy. Like the word which I use in India, like in US a lot too.
Most of the people just say lol, I use lol. I'm like, lol is basic. It's not even
Yeah, no.
Riz.
Slaying is like what we use in US a lot. Vibe is coming up more right now. Like it's more for industry thing, but slaying is like popular.
If you could replay one moment from Oscars or Cannes, which one would that be and why?
So when I was standing on the red carpet and I was just posing like this and I was just looking back and the photographer clicked my picture and that came as a perfect pose that's etched in my memory.
Exactly that pose. Oh my god. I love it. I see the picture I'm like, oh my god, how is she bending like that?
Exactly. I'm not a model, but it was like perfect. I'm like, dude, this is like that yellow one on the steps and one with that. Wow.
That's a memory to keep. Yes. I agree with you.
Sometimes खुद को भी खुद self praise करना चाहिए, and those are the moments where I'm like,
And in this industry, I think you should do it every once in a while. Like every now and then also, I'd say. Because this industry is very harsh. Could be very harsh.
प्लीज मेरे ऊपर ना सब दयालु जैसे सब अच्छे से स्वीट से रहिए, क्योंकि मैं इतना दूर से भाग के आ रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत हौसला चाहिए. आई नीड लॉट ऑफ kindness and pampering to survive.
Well, that has been a very lovely session with you. Before wrapping this up, I'd want you to send out a message to Telugu people in Telugu, asking them to watch M4M and sending them love also, because if you send love, you'll get it back, right? Yeah.
I'll say in Hindi also, क्योंकि मैं मुंबई से भी हूँ.
ठीक है. If you can say in Marathi, I'd love that.
नहीं यार, मराठी टूटी फूटी है अभी. First English में, thank you so much, my dear Americans. As an NRI, American San Francisco resident, please embrace the movie. This is releasing in many languages, and I'm your NRI, American Indian American actress, dubbing international. So we need all the love, embracement, spreading the message out to make this a movie big hit, and not just about that. It's making me standing as an actor. So please help me, support me, come and watch, make the movie M4M a big hit, and Joe Sharma, make it shine. In Hindi. सभी को मुंबई, दिल्ली, पूरा दुनिया, जो भी हिंदी स्पीकिंग पूरी दुनिया में है, सबको आप मेरे नमस्कार. एंड प्लीज़ आप सब लोग आके मेरी मूवी देखिए. M4M जब भी रिलीज़ होगी नेक्स्ट 2-3 मंथ्स में, मुझे सबके सपोर्ट चाहिए, क्योंकि नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी हम रिलीज़ कर रहे. JVEL ऑलरेडी एग्री टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन अ बिग वे, जय विराट्रा. सो आप प्लीज़ आइए, हिट कीजिए, ताकि मैं हिंदी में भी बहुत सारे मूवीज़ कर सकती हूँ. और मैं मुंबई से हूँ, तो आपकी वन अमॉन्ग यू फ्रॉम द कोर बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री एज वेल. तो థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, ధన్యవాద్. తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్, మన అందరు తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నమస్కారము. నేను జో శర్మని. నేను హైదరాబాద్లో పుట్టాను, తెలంగాణ అమ్మాయిని, అండ్ అమ్మ వాళ్ళందరూ ఆంధ్ర నుంచి. సో మన మొత్తం తెలుగు స్పీకింగ్ వాళ్ళందరికీ ప్లీజ్ ఈ మూవీని చాలా పెద్ద హిట్ చేయండి. మన మోహన్ వడ్లపట్ల గారు ఎంతో కష్టపడ్డారు అండ్ ఎంతో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మాకు కాన్స్లో స్టాండింగ్ ఓవేషన్ వచ్చింది, వేవ్స్లో వచ్చింది, అమెరికాలో ఎక్కడ చూపించినా వచ్చింది. సో మూవీలో సత్తా ఉంటేనే ఇంత అప్రిసియేషన్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు దయచేసి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్, ఓటీటీ అందరూ ముందుకు వచ్చి ఈ మూవీని మీరు మన అనుకొని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తే మేము చాలా సంతోషిస్తాము. దీన్ని పక్కా చూసి హిట్ చేయండి అండ్ నాకు చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద మూవీస్లో ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ, ధన్యవాదాలు.
Lovely. That was Jo Sharma with us, the Indian American actress from Tollywood. Send her love. She's out on her journey to stardom. So support her, watch the movie M4M, and send out all the love that you have to give. This is me, Gyansham Malik, for the Hans India. Stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting interviews and subscribe it. Until next time, thank you for watching.